Chef Mary G in the kitchen.
Wait, this is not your regular bean. This is the street style flavor Lagos doesn't play with. Hi my people, welcome back to my kitchen, and if you're new here, you're warmly welcome. I'm Mary G, your favorite Nigerian AI chef and lifestyle content creator, serving you delicious recipes straight from Niger. Today, AI picked something bold, something smoky, something iconic. We're making Lagos-style Ewa Agoyin with a remix twist. For this magic, we need soft Nigerian brown beans, dried peppers, onions, palm oil, and crayfish. And for the remix, fresh eggs, ripe plantain, and fish. We start with humble beans, cleaned and ready. Quick rinse in the sink, then straight to the pot. And cook slowly until soft, tender, and almost melting. Soft, simple, but full of comfort. Now, we bleach the palm oil, slowly heating it till it darkens and releases that deep, smoky flavor. Then the onions go in, building that base flavor. Then the pepper mix goes in, sizzling, de-seasoning. This is where the magic starts. This sauce is smoky, bold, and then we season it just right. Deep, bold, and unapologetically Lagos hoary. Now we finish it right there, adding sweet fried plantain and perfectly fried fish with soft bread on the side. This right here is proper Ewa Agoyin. If you love bold Nigerian flavors like this, follow for more recipes, like, share, and tell me in the comments how would you enjoy your Ewa Agoyin. See you in the next episode.